Welcome to MyLPU eLearning portal. In this quick video, you'll learn how to submit an assignment, take a quiz, and post in a forum, all in under 2 minutes. Let's start. After logging in, go to your dashboard. Select the course you want to access. First, submitting an assignment. Click on the assignment title provided by your instructor. Read the instructions carefully. Note the deadline. Click Add Submission. Upload your file and hit Save Changes. You'll see a confirmation once submitted. Next, taking a quiz. Find the quiz activity and click on it. Review the quiz details, time limit, and number of attempts. When ready, click Attempt Quiz Now. Answer all the questions. You can navigate between pages using the navigation panel. When done, click Finish Attempt, then Submit All and Finish to submit your quiz. Finally, let's post in a forum. Click on the forum your teacher set up. Click Add a new discussion topic. Enter your subject and message. When you're done, click Post to Forum. That's it. And you're all set. That's how to submit an assignment, take a quiz, and join a forum in MyLPU eLearning portal. Happy learning!